This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make seafood stew peas only way. Start by prepping fresh peas, shrimp, firm white fish, onion, garlic, and tomatoes for a bright base. Heat oil, sauté aromatics until translucent, add tomatoes and simmer, then pour fish stock and add peas. Gently fold in seafood near the end to prevent overcooking, adjust salt and pepper, finish with a squeeze of lime and chopped herbs. I walk you through ingredient choices and prep for the stew peas so your seafood stays tender. Choose fresh shrimp and firm white fish, and use frozen or fresh peas for texture. Chop onions, garlic, and tomatoes, and measure fish stock, oil, salt, and pepper. If you like heat, add a chopped Scotch bonnet or chili. Keep seafood refrigerated until the last minute and serve immediately after cooking. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite makes reading recipes in the kitchen easier and splash-resistant for messy cooks. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Check the description for the Kindle Paperwhite link and other deals to grab one. On another note, it doubles as a convenient cookbook page holder. Its adjustable light and long battery life mean you can cook and read hands-free. Now let's get back to the video. Layer flavors step by step as you build the stew so every spoonful tastes balanced and rich. Start by browning aromatics, then add tomatoes and reduce for depth. Pour in fish stock, bring to a gentle simmer, then add peas and cook until tender. Add seafood in stages, starting with firm fish then shrimp, and simmer briefly until opaque. Finish with lime, herbs, and a drizzle of oil and enjoy with crusty bread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.